What is it? Careful. It's a doggy. Woof woof. Hi. Come on, Zoe. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Mande? ¿Qué es esto? Pine cone. Pine cone. I don't know the word in Spanish. Pine cone. Pine cone. Good trying. Se llama pine cone. Pine cone. You don't like it? You don't want it? Okay. What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Uh-oh. What's uh-oh? That's a doggy? You hear the doggy? Come on. Should we go back? Let's go back to the path. Come on. Careful. You could do it. Good job. ¿Qué es esto? What is it? Something. Is it a ball? Ball, I think, is a seed. Maybe it's a seed from the tree. The seed from the tree? Let me see. Wow, it's very light. Okay. Ball, kind of. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is our morning hike. Well, it's not much of a hike. I guess it's an urban hike. It's just a flat trail. It goes for about 2 miles. The stretch that I take with Zoe every Saturday or Sunday morning, at least once a weekend. And these are some of the best trees that we have in town. Let's go check out, see what Zoe's getting into. What'd you find? More? More? Look at that. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. ¿Más? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde más? No necesito más. We don't need any more. No necesito más. Pine cone. Saw one of these earlier. Check out a pine cone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what-oh? Uh-oh? Where?
Mama.
Monday.
Mama.
Monday.
Mama.
See?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what-oh, sweetheart? Okay. Up. All done? Okay. All right. All done. All right. All done. Come on. Up. Oh, good standing. Good job. All done. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Mhm. Ball. Okay. Okay, come on. I thought you were all done. I thought you were all done. Zo. Okay. All right. Say bye-bye.